Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today I will guide you how you can add a Matic network in your MetaMask wallet and to transfer funds from Binance Network to a Matic network. If you like this type of content, you can also like our videos, you can subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notification. If you want to know about latest NFT projects, you can also join our Discord channel to get latest notifications. First of all, we need a MetaMask Binance wallet, which I already have. Once you have that, you can go in settings, then select networks, and then click on add a network. Then you can add all this information. I will provide this information in the description below. Once you are done, you can click save, and the Matic network will be available in the network section. Once we are done, then we need some assets in our Matic wallet. Then we go in PancakeSwap, convert some USDT into Matic. Once we are done, then we can go in Rubik website. It's a bridge from different networks. In this website, we will be sending our Matic token to other network. So we are sending it from Binance. We select Binance, and we are sending Matic. So we select Matic. In the second option, we will select Polygon Network, and then we will select again a Matic coin because we are receiving Matic in Polygon Network. Once we done that, then our wallet is not connected. So we click on connect, select MetaMask, and click sign in. Once you are done, your asset will be start showing in the website. You can click max. So minimum amount you can send is 38 Matic. So we will approve our transaction. I will be providing the link of everything that you need in the description below. Once our transaction get approved, then we can click swap. We can also verify our address where we will be receiving the Matic. Our transaction have been submitted and it will take some time to transfer to bridge our asset from Binance Network to Polygon. You can also check your activity in the MetaMask wallet. And you can also check your activity in My Trace section. As you can see, we are sending some assets from Binance Smart Chain to Polygon. And we are expected 41 Matic in our Polygon network. Status of this transaction is pending, so we will be refreshing this page. You can also check your transaction details by clicking here. As you can see, our transaction have been completed successfully. We go back on our website and try to refresh the status, and it says completed. So we will again check the Matic wallet if we receive those assets or not. It will take some time to get to reflect the assets in our Matic wallet. So like here it is. And then we can swap this Matic with other tokens. You can get the token address from the coin market cap, as I'm going to add the NFT champions in my MetaMask wallet, and then copy that address, go back in quick swap, and then I can add that address here and select the champ token. Then I will convert 38 Matic to champ because I need some Matic for transactions. So click on swap, confirm the transaction. As you can see, our transaction have been completed, and you can verify your assets in MetaMask wallet. You can also buy your assets in DEX tools. As you already know, this token is only available on Polygon Network. So make sure the address is correct and the Polygon Network is selected. And your MetaMask Polygon Network is selected here and it is connected to the website. And then you can select your Matic token. And then you can click max and swap it. Leave some Matic for transactions. If you like our video, you can hit like and subscribe our channel. If you have any question, you can also ask in the comment section below. आज के लिए इतना ही, अगली वीडियो में मिलते हैं। अल्लाह हाफिज।